Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. So these problems are popular on Instagram, Threads, and Messenger sometimes. So what's the solution of all of them? And it's so easy to be done. You can go first into your settings and then scroll down until you can see the apps option. Tap on it, right, and here you will find seven options. Go through manage apps, so tap on the second solution or the second option, and here you can so look for Instagram app. All right, and from here go to clear data, tap on it and clear cache. So if that doesn't work with you, what I want you to do is to go to the supports of Instagram, of Meta supports, and type for them the problem that you have. You can type any problem that you have to them, and then they will take that feedback from you and will answer you, or will uh, uh, give you a solution, or also the fix that problem themselves for you. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.